I'm going to show you how to install the Netop Vision app onto your MacBook. So you're going to go ahead and go down here to your toolbar and click on Self-Service. And you'll see it right here, Vision Teacher for Chromebooks. So click on Install. It'll bring you to the App Store. And you'll go ahead and click Get and then Install. And you'll be prompted to put in your Apple ID. I'll show you how to retrieve that if you've forgotten it. And then you can go ahead, if you remember it, click on Save to remember it so that you don't have to ever worry about it again, if it's for free items, that is. And once the circle is complete, you will have the app.